Woolley Brothers are a commercial abattoir slaughtering and deboning 1,500 cattle a week. A NOUVEM customer since 2016, Woolley switched to NOUVEM for two primary reasons. Number one, to handle an increased throughput, and number two, to satisfy the increasing demands from auditors. Working within EU traceability regulations and working closely with DEFRA, the Department of Environment, Fisheries and Rural Affairs in the UK, and quality standards such as Red Tractor and BRC, NOUVEM have delivered a door-to-door factory solution allowing Woolies to efficiently meet both regulatory and commercial demands. Integrations include DEFRA through CMS, Red Tractor, the Quality Assurance Scheme, Sage 50 and Dublin-based Identigen, the DNA traceback provider. NOUVEM tracks all animals from arrival, through slaughter, through the chills, to dispatch, deboning, right the way up to the time the invoice is produced. Whether you're issuing whole carcasses of beef or lamb or pigs, issuing ingredients to a recipe or a controlled production order, NOUVEM will ensure quality and consistency and is always tracking for traceability, stock control and management reporting. The NOUVEM weighing and labelling software is packed with features such as customer-specific labelling, weigh price labelling for retail, fixed weight labelling and giveaway recording, batch label printing, weighing and labelling for dispatch, multiple barcodes and much more. Using rugged scanners or tablets, operator can scan product to stock movement orders or for filling sale orders for dispatch. Multiple stock locations, unique racking locations, stock taking by scanning and stock by age are all features of the NOUVEM food processing system. The office and the factory are separate buildings at Woolies, yet data flows seamlessly and in real time between the office and the factory, ensuring customers get orders as promised, quality systems are accurate and live, and production schedules are met. NOUVEM ensures management have a 360-degree view of the business at all times.